Installing the sliding sashes. When identifying the sliding sashes, they are labeled as master door, keep door, sash or panel number 3, panel number 4, and so on. First, identify the door panel furthest away from the master door. Unpack and position the door in the bottom track with the top of the door leaning slightly away from the top track as shown. Ensure that the finger bolt and handle are facing away from the master door. With the panel still not engaged in the top track, tilt the door away from the master door and slide the guide pin in the bottom track into position beneath the wheel assembly on the pivot side of the door. Lower the sash carefully down over the pin. To locate the sash into the top track, pull down the finger bolt and push the sash into the top track and release the finger bolt. Ensure that the latch is located in the top track before releasing. Next, carefully separate the magnet from the gathered section. Slide the magnet, complete with the assembly, offer into the side of the panel and fix using two 3/16 Allen bolts. Hand tighten only as previously. You may need to carefully lever the section attached to the magnet down using a non-metallic lever, like a glazing paddle, to align with the sash block. This process is repeated for all sliding sashes up to and including the keep sash, which should be the last sash installed. This is identified easily as it has 3 door keeps fixed to the side of the sash opposite the finger bolt and handle. The master door locks against this panel in the closed position. It is installed exactly the same way as the other sliding panels.